Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily Codes. Today, plus the rest of this video series, we shall be learning about Apache Airflow. Apache Airflow is a powerful open source platform that allows you to automate, schedule, and monitor complex workflows. Whether you are into data engineering, machine learning, or workflow automations, Airflow is a tool that may work well for you. At its core, Airflow helps you to define, schedule, and execute DAGs. DAGs are directed acyclic graphs. DAGs represent your workflows where tasks and dependencies are clearly defined. Understanding key concepts like DAGs, tasks, and operators is crucial. DAGs are your workflows, tasks are the individual units of work, and operators define how tasks are executed. Dependencies ensure tasks are executed in the right order. Building workflows with Airflow is all about writing Python code. You define your tasks as instances of various operators, set their dependencies, and schedule them using the DAG object. Let's take, for example, you want to define a workflow where you send a report to your CEO at the end of the day showing the amount of revenue you've generated that day. The DAG will be that workflow that will handle how you define the whole workflow, and the tasks within that DAG will be the individual units of work or jobs that you're going to be doing in order to execute the whole workflow of extracting data from wherever data is stored in your company or in your organization, and then doing some kind of transformation or analysis, and then building your report, for example, in Excel or in any other analytics tool, then packaging your report and then sending the report to your boss or the CEO or to any team member at the end of the day. So the DAG will handle the whole of that workflow, and then the individual tasks within the DAG will be handling the bits of the jobs that the DAG should be doing. For example, the first thing to be done is to fetch the data. The second thing that is to be done is to transform the data in some way. The third thing, maybe doing the analysis. The fourth thing is packaging the whole thing. The fifth thing to be done is to send, for example, an email with that report. So all these tasks will also have dependency where you first have to fetch the data from the storage. That's the first task. Then the second task of transforming the data cannot happen before the first task happens. So that is the dependencies that you're talking about. So defining a DAG is just defining a whole workflow, and then you have tasks that handle the bits and the jobs within the workflow, and then the dependency is where how the tasks within the DAG relate with each other on when one should run. So the applications of Apache Airflow are vast. It is widely used in managing pipelines, the data pipelines. It's used in ETL workflows. It is used in sending reports, and also it is used in orchestrating machine learning workflows and pipelines and so many more applications. So this is the introduction to Apache Airflow and what Apache Airflow does. The rest of this video series will show you how to set up Apache Airflow and how to use it, plus Apache Airflow in general. Hopefully I can cover everything about Apache Airflow, but I'm going to cover everything I know about Airflow in the bits of the videos that are going to be coming next. If you're excited, like the way I am excited, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon when I upload the first video for this tutorial series. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.